Imagine letting your whole country down by missing a penalty. You feeling nervous up against one of the best keepers in the world?
Ref, you hearing us?
Yeah, can we just stop waffling and get a move on? We've got places to be.
It's the World Cup final, mate.
You got nowhere to be. It's a World Cup.
Get rid of this guy. Calmer, calmer.
You can get red carded for doing that. You do realise?
You can get red carded for taunting as well.
Break up.
I know he's gassed. He's wearing an England shirt.
No, mate.
He's gassed.
What he's done to me there.
I haven't seen
He
one.
shushed me.
Honestly, ref, great officiator. Good game.
And me.
Yeah, you can get that away
Mate,
from me.
shake my hand.
Get it away from me.
Good sportsmanship. Shake my hand right now.
Mate, you tried to
You've
pay
got an attitude problem, mate.
That's enough. Not in front of the fans. They paid really good money to go and watch us play. Taking a piss.
You tried to play mind games, it didn't work.
Mate, I don't care. You've got an attitude. You've got an attitude. The game's the game.
You lost.
Okay?